Depression is a multidisciplinary issue. It's not easily categorized. Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true that some aspects of depression can be helped via spirituality, via iman. But it is also true that some people, no matter how much spirituality they have, they will need to go to a medical practitioner. They have maybe certain issues that need to be countered with drugs, with prescription drugs. It is also true that some issues are psychological, beyond the realm of religion, beyond the realm of medicine. Perhaps a childhood trauma, perhaps the abuse, a victim, especially of sexual abuse and trauma of childhood. That usually needs a counselor, a psychiatrist, a trained person. Not just a sheikh, not just a medical doctor to give some drugs. Rather, it requires therapy from a licensed therapist. And the bottom line, brothers and sisters, is that each one of us has a role to play. Sometimes scholars will help. Sometimes trained counselors will help. Sometimes medical practitioners will help. Sometimes family and friends will help.